The 5500 coffee maker is Philips' top-of-the-line model. It is the most expensive model, but also the most complete. Stay until the end of the video because we will tell you everything it includes and also what sets it apart from other models, so you can decide if it's the model that interests you the most. The main features of the Philips 5500 are as follows. It has a 3.5-inch color screen that makes it much more visually appealing and also makes accessing the machine's different functionalities much more intuitive. It can prepare the 20 different recipes you can see on the screen now by pressing just one button. And in case you're wondering, these are the beverages that other models can prepare. The Philips 5500 also allows you to personalize your drinks and save them in up to 4 different profiles, so each household member can prepare their favorite drink without needing to change the settings every time. One of the new features of this coffee maker is the quick start function, which allows you to prepare coffee much faster right after turning on the machine. Additionally, the 5400 offers the extra shot function, only available in this version within the Philips range. The Philips 5500 incorporates the silent brew system. This new function makes it 40% quieter. However, don't expect a completely silent coffee maker. Another notable new feature is that the new 2024 Philips range allows you to prepare cold coffee recipes with a new system that extracts all the coffee's flavor with a slower flow and at a lower temperature. This will allow you to enjoy a delicious iced coffee without sacrificing intensity. Besides all this, the Philips 5500 includes other features that it shares with the rest of the models in the range. It has 15 bars of pressure, slightly less than other competing models, although believe me, you won't notice a difference in the coffee's taste. Its grinder for grinding coffee is ceramic, making it more durable and allowing a greater degree of grinding. Additionally, it can be adjusted to 12 grinding levels, for greater personalization to suit all tastes. It also allows the use of ground coffee. In case you run out of coffee beans or to make decaffeinated coffee, which is one of the main uses for this functionality. And for me, the most outstanding feature of Philips coffee makers is their Latte Go system for preparing milk recipes. With this system, we can prepare delicious coffees with a frothy foam layer by pressing just one button. But this system stands out from the competition because it is made up of only 2 pieces and is much easier and more convenient to clean. And believe me, this is something you'll appreciate a lot in your daily routine. Another very interesting point of Philips coffee makers is the capacity of their reservoirs. Its water reservoir has a capacity of 1.8 liters and is front removable, making it very convenient to refill. It has a coffee bean container with a capacity of 275 grams, more than what most competing brands offer. And finally, it can hold up to 12 coffee grounds. In short, we are talking about coffee makers with considerable capacity, which will mean you have to refill them less frequently, something very practical. As for its dimensions, all Philips models have the same base, so they all measure and weigh the same. 24.6 centimeters wide, 43.3 centimeters deep, 37.1 centimeters high and weigh 8 kilograms. And now, let's talk about its price. When making this video, the Philips 5500 is priced as you can see on the screen now. However, we recommend checking the links you'll find in the description and comments of this video, where we always keep them updated with the best deals available. And for the differences compared to the other new models in the Philips range, you can see the main ones in the following table. If you want to know the other models in detail, don't miss the other videos on our channel. See you in the next video. Until next time.